G-liquid chlorophyll. This wonder liquid, when ingested, passes on through the food pipe and the stomach, from where it enters the intestines. It gets readily absorbed through the intestines and enters the circulatory system, and from there on it begins to energize and revitalize various organs. Once in the bloodstream, it helps in the production of more blood, thus increasing the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Therefore, high levels of oxygen leads to the effective breakdown of the nutrients, releasing more energy. Due to this effect, the person obtains more energy, gets activated and looks vibrant. This in turn relieves him from tiredness and stress, and eventually a person is able to work effectively for long hours. Apart from rejuvenating and activating these various organs, it also boosts up the immune system and prepares the body to fight infections, making the person more resistant to diseases. Its effect on the brain is also amazing in that it revitalizes the brain cells, activates the brain and removes tiredness. It keeps the person free from strain and depression. Thus, these effects of G-liquid chlorophyll are observed within few minutes of its consumption. When this wonder liquid enters the heart, it oxygenates and strengthens it, thereby improving its function. It normalizes the heartbeat and reduces blood pressure. It prevents the buildup of bad cholesterol, thus preventing heart disease. It also improves lung functioning and protects the person against infections. In addition, G-liquid chlorophyll protects the person from asthmatic attacks. Coming to the liver, we all know that the liver protects our body against harmful chemicals, but sometimes these chemicals tend to damage the liver. Now, let us know the effects of G-liquid chlorophyll on the liver. It strengthens the liver and protects it from harmful chemicals by neutralizing these chemicals and improves liver functioning. It revitalizes and rejuvenates the liver. When this G-liquid chlorophyll enters the pancreas, it activates the pancreas and stimulates the production of healthy pancreatic cells which produce insulin. This results in the increased production of the body's own insulin, thereby helping in the maintenance of normal blood sugar levels, which proves to be an effective measure in treating diabetes. It also protects the pancreas from harmful chemicals. Additionally, it protects the kidneys from harmful chemicals and improves their functioning, thus increasing their efficiency in removing waste products from the system. It also reduces the risk of kidney stone formation. More interestingly, G-liquid chlorophyll is known to prevent various cancers by effectively picking up cancer-causing chemicals called carcinogens and removing them from the body, which are normally found in our daily foods such as nuts, grains and meat. Successful findings have shown that G-liquid chlorophyll prevents several types of cancer, including liver, stomach and colon cancers. G-liquid chlorophyll has also proved to be helpful in wound healing and inflammation. Its role in cosmetics is commendable, wherein it improves the skin complexion, beautifies the skin, delays the normal aging process, and makes the skin look healthier and glowing. Our struggle to minimize the effects of harmful chemicals that are all around us and to fight off these is an everyday battle. To maintain the highest levels of health, make G-liquid chlorophyll an important part of your daily regime. Thus, G-liquid chlorophyll rejuvenates and revitalizes almost all our organs. It slows down the normal aging process, making us healthier and beautiful internally and externally. Why healthy people also need chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is known to be the principal element or lifeblood, also termed as the green blood of plant life. All green plants contain chlorophyll, and it is the most critical substance in plants that allows them to absorb light from the sun and convert that light into usable energy in the form of starch. Interestingly, Chlorophyll shows considerable similarity in its structure to human blood. Now, scientists are beginning to unlock the potential health secrets of chlorophyll and how they can be beneficial to you and me. Hence, G liquid chlorophyll can be considered as the elixir of life.